everyone, I am Belvijara Sabina from SMPN 1 Pamulang. I will tell you about a story I made based on what I have read. Entitled, Masihkah Kau Temanku, Unfriend You. And here is the story. Friends, Misha is a new student. She is beautiful and even almost perfect. But he is weak. He cannot fight back when someone is bullying him. At school, she is in the same class as a school star. Her name is Larissa. Larissa is very beautiful, and her achievements are also extraordinary. Larissa has two close friends, Vio and Talita. Vio has a character that people don't like, while Talita is actually kind-hearted, but because of her association, many don't like her. Lots of people are fascinated by Misha. Not many of them say Misha will become the new star at Oxford and replace Larissa. And this news raised Larissa's ears. Larissa felt repelled and she thought of ways to bring Misha down. During recess, Misha went to the cafeteria alone. He sat down on one of the chairs in the canteen, which was like a restaurant. Not forgetting, he also ordered food and drinks. Larissa and her two friends came over to Misha, and they sat at the same table with Misha. Larissa invited Misha to get acquainted and also chatted with Misha. Misha was happy. It turned out that on her first day, she already had a new friend. Misha feels comfortable with Larissa and her friends. Vio saw that. He immediately offered Misha to join them. Misha couldn't refuse him, and there was no way he could refuse her. He immediately accepted Vio's offer. Now, Larissa gang has added one member. Misha joined became news that shocked the school. The next day, the news about Misha joining Larissa was still hot news. The four of them went to the cafeteria to buy some snack before the entrance bell rang. Two teenage boys, Alvin and Aska, came, who were Larissa and Vio boyfriends. Alvin and Aska are one of the most handsome students at Oxford, on a par with Larissa, and Vio are also one of the most beautiful students at Oxford. The two of them also bought snacks to eat later. It's time to go home. The Oxford students are waiting to be picked up in the area that has been provided. Misha said goodbye to her friends because she had been picked up. Without Misha, Larissa, Vio, and Talita gathered at Vio's house. He said he had something to talk about, and it was about Misha. Vio suspects that Misha liked Aska, her boyfriend. While in the cafeteria, Aska occasionally looked and glanced at Misha. And actually, Misha didn't care about Aska, who had been looking at her. Talita, who heard it, tried to explain to Vio to stay positive. However, it seems that Talita's words were not really listened to by Larissa. Larissa even ordered Talita to frame Misha. At the same time, she also wanted revenge because Misha had taken some of her like at school. At first, Talita refused, but because she was afraid that she would not have friends, she was forced to do it. His mission, he must succeed in embracing Misha in front of all Oxford students. Talita, who cannot Bear to ask her old friends Ayumi and Rafka for help. Actually, they also went to school at Oxford, but they were no longer friends with Talita because they were banned for Larissa. Larissa said they are not on the same level. Ayumi actually didn't want to help because Talita only came when she was in trouble. Unlike Rafka, who immediately wanted to help, he felt sorry for Misha. Talita and Rafka tried to persuade Ayumi. Talita will only pretend to carry out orders, and on her way to class, lots of banners with Misha's face on them with bad people written on them. It turned out Larissa and Vio had already taken action. Talita immediately approached the students who were close to it. Vio was heard saying, "Where there are friends who disappoint their friends," and Misha was seen laying on the floor with messy hair. Talita saw this, immediately took Misha to the UKSB, breaking through the crowd. The teacher on duty at the UKS asked what had happened to Misha. Talita and Misha didn't dare to open their mouths because they know it would definitely not be safe if they told them. Ayumi, who is at the UKS after catching up with Talita, is upset. Why Talita and Misha don't want to open their mouths? Rafka, who was also there, tried to calm Talita and Misha so they would open their mouths and assured them that they would be safe. The problem has reached the principal, and Misha's parents already know about it. Misha's parents asked the school to take firm action. Larissa and Vio were summoned with the help of their respective parents to be asked for an explanation and proven guilty. They were expelled from school and given sanction, namely not being able to attend public school or continue their studies at state universities. Even though at that time, the children who attended public school had a good image, had a high status, and it was very easy to get a job. This is also the hope of all children and parents. Misha's parents are relieved. Misha is also very calm, even though the trauma has not completely disappeared. Misha's parents entrusted Misha with Talita, Ayumi, and Rafka so that they could become good friends for their children and become friends who are always there when they are happy or sad. From this story, we can take the lesson that is, we must be good friends who always help friends when need. So many story from me. Sorry if there are mistakes in pronouncing words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.